Hello everyone. So a lot of students have been asking me since I released the CET 23 course, sir, exactly what is CET 23? Crack every test 23 and not CET 23 as in the exam. What exactly is the Crack every test 23 course? And this video I'm dedicating only to explaining you why should you select us, and I'm telling you why should you select us. There is a reason. There are many reasons. Chalo, let's start with it. So all of you must have gone to my website, that is crackeverytest.com. Usme if you click here, you'll go to the MBA 23 section. There is a new course that we have released. इसमें तुम्हारा Snap, NMAT सब covered है. So your preparation will not be just CET, it will be Snap, NMAT, CMAT, CET, MyCat, ISNET, MAT and ATMA. ये सब कुछ कवर हो जाते हैं, ये सारी एग्जाम्स कवर होती है. एंड इन व्हाट फैशन? वी हैव आवर लाइव लेक्चर्स. हर हफ्ते 4 लाइव सेशंस होने वाले हैं. द एंटायर पोर्शन इज कवर्ड. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड, the first year that we had, when we had bumper results, we had 22 students going into JB and Sydenham in our first year ever, which is just crazy. We had only 19 lectures. 19 lectures planned, but we pumped it up to 19 से चालू किया था हमने planning, but we pumped it up to 27 lectures. This year, the second year, we had planned 42 lectures. We pumped it up to 57 lectures. And for the next year, we have already planned 67 lectures. इस 67 lectures का पूरा planning है, and I'm pretty sure that इससे ज़्यादा होने ही वाला है. I'm going to show you exactly which all lectures are we going to have. ये देखो, ये सारे lectures का है. This is a timetable. Obviously, timetable ये सारे महीनों का है timetable. But मैं भी lectures list में दिखा देता हूँ. These are the lecture list, and they are going to be taken by these 4 people. Bhavika, Jigar Buddy, that's me, and that's Ashish, and that's Riya. All 4 of us are going to take. All 3 of them, that is Bhavika, Ashish, and Riya, the 3 have been trained by me. All 3 of them, they know exactly how Crack Every Test teaches, and everything that is covered in the portion, they are very, very familiar with all of it. And overall, they have been taking one-to-one sessions, they have been taking mock buddy sessions, they have been conducting puzzle sessions for all my CET 22 students. Their overall feedback is very, very good. So I can confidently say that they are more than qualified to teach you, probably more qualified than most teachers who are teaching you out anywhere else. So we are going to have so many lectures every week, total 67 lectures as per plan, and even more. Every lecture gets recorded, तो वो भी टेंशन नहीं है तुम्हें. इफ यू मिस आउट ऑन एनी लेक्चर, यू नीड नॉट वरी, सब रिकॉर्डिंग तुम्हें इमीडिएटली मिल जाएगा. एंड्रॉइड, विंडोज दोनों डिवाइसेस पे चल जाएंगे, सो यू नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट इट. वी हैव अ ऑनलाइन पोर्टल. तुम्हारे सारे चैप्टर्स जो हम तुम्हें पढ़ाते हैं या फिर तुम्हें खुद से प्रैक्टिस करना है, उसके लिए देयर इज एन ऑनलाइन पोर्टल जिसका एक्सेस हमारी वेबसाइट से ही होगा. देयर विल बी अ स्टूडेंट लॉगिन जोन हियर. वहां से तुम डायरेक्टली एक्सेस कर सकते हो. तुम्हारा स्टूडेंट जो भी तुम्हें ऑनलाइन एक्सेस दिया जाता है, उसमें तुम्हारे सम्स, टेस्ट, सब कुछ वहीं पे होगा. So everything is through our website only. We have very high quality mocks जिनका इस बार रिव्यू बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है. We have tied up with Test Funda for the mocks, and they have overall history of giving few of the best mocks for all these examinations throughout the country. Extensive practice books. We have more than enough books for you to practice. Online access है, साथ में books भी है. You get hard copy books delivered to your house. We give you a daily study timetable, and understand the study timetable is not that सबको same मिलेगा. We will give a timetable for all the students to follow, but जो नहीं follow कर पाते, जिनको problem आती है, जिनका time नहीं है, जिनको work है, the timetables can be personalized to your own needs and your time schedules. Understand, we have hundreds of students this year जिन्होंने अपना timetable personalize करके लिया है. Also basis their mock scores. As you go ahead, तुम्हारे mock scores, तुम्हारा preparation level, सबके basis पे तुम्हारा timetable मैं personally change करता जाता हूँ. So you need not worry about anything. Each and every timetable is very, very well managed. You know exactly what to do. All you have to do is just follow it. You will have our doubt solving groups and the live doubt solving lectures. सारे live doubt solving lectures जो भी होने वाले हैं, मतलब जो भी doubt solving lectures हम लेते हैं, they are not just on the group, but they are basically on Zoom. सारे तुम्हारे doubts live clear किए जाएंगे. You need not worry about it. Group तो है ही, but group में जो doubts तुम्हें extra explanation चाहिए, उसके लिए live doubt solving lectures है. ये तो हो गया. This is something that is generic, but what else? What is something that is much bigger? What we have, what nobody else has, is one-to-one sessions. 1-to-1 sessions are the personal counselings that we have. एक एक स्टूडेंट का पर्सनल काउंसलिंग होता है, एक एक स्टूडेंट का हर एक लाइक एक एक स्टूडेंट डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट फैकल्टी डज ही और शी वांट टू गो टू, उनका पर्सनल काउंसलिंग होता है. एंड एवरी टीचर जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट उनके लेवल के हिसाब से, उनके स्कोर्स के हिसाब से, उनके प्रिपरेशन के हिसाब से उनको एक नया टाइम टेबल, उनको एक नया पढ़ने का तरीका उनको प्रॉपर्ली बताया जाएगा, तुम क्या सॉल्व करो क्या मत सॉल्व करो. एंड समथिंग बिगेस्ट एंड मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग थिंग दैट वी हैव कम अप विद दिस ईयर इज, लेट मी मेक इट बोल्डर, is mock buddy. Mock buddy session मतलब I or the faculty along with me, we will sit with you for the live mock test. हम तुम्हें बताएंगे that तुम्हारे लेवल के हिसाब से, तुम्हारे प्रिपरेशन के हिसाब से, तुम्हारे स्कोर्स के हिसाब से तुम्हें ये वाली मॉक में ये क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं करना चाहिए. वी डोंट गिव यू जस्ट अ स्ट्रैटेजी जैसे हर कोई दे देता है. वी विल मेक योर स्ट्रैटेजी, वी विल बिल्ड योर स्ट्रैटेजी फ्रॉम अ स्क्रैच. I will make sure that each and every student has a strategy जो वो खुद follow करता है, because you guys are students and you are not machines that one solution will fit everyone. वैसा नहीं होता है. That is not the way that we function at Crack Every Test, and I can assure you that you will definitely see a lot of personal attention that is being poured into you at Crack Every Test. And apart from this, I also have a big announcement today, and that is a flash sale is coming up. So we have a flash sale. Wait, I'll just scroll through. These are the 3 packages, package 1, 2 and 3. Differences इनके अंदर लिखे हुए हैं, you need not worry, you can just read the differences. Package 1, 2, 3 तीनों पे on 26th July, I'll write it down here, 26th July, we are going to have a flash sale on the website for the entire day. All 3 packages will have a 2,000 rupees off. So we'll have a minus 2,000 rupees. You'll have a 2,000 rupees discount on all 3 packages. That will only be for 26 and that will not be repeated. तुम 27 पे आओगे, 28 पे आओगे, नहीं होगा. कोई कूपन कोड की जरूरत नहीं. You can directly go to the website. Discount वहां पे लगा ही होगा. ये 12,000 का तुम्हें 10,000 में ही मिल जाएगा. You need not worry about it at all. You try to enroll, तुम्हें वहां पे दिख जाएगा 10,000 ही पेमेंट दिख रहा है. So that's a help from you because the course is starting and the course is starting on 1st of August. To inform all of you, we have limited seats in the course. We make sure that हर बैच में कम लोग होते हैं. Unlike everybody else, हम लोग क्लास में 150, 200, 250 लोग नहीं भरते. We keep our live lectures limited to 30 to 40 lectures, 40 students. So हर एक स्टूडेंट को कुछ भी करके पर्सनल अटेंशन मिल ही जाता है. So you need not worry about it. We are literally giving you everything, and that is everything that you need to know about the Crack Every Test 23 course. I hope you guys like the video. If you have any more doubts, just post them in the comments. I'll make sure that everything is answered very, very well. Chalo, bye guys.